Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is 23rd of May 2024. It is around 9:34 a.m. in the morning. Okay, we just had a FOMC meeting minutes released last night. So as you can see, they are not so keen or not so leaning toward the rate cut immediately. So I think this is kind of like this is kind of the game that they are playing. They want to play hard to get. First, a few months back, they are talking so much about rate cut, and all of a sudden they are like going cold. So it's like this is the trick that they have been playing. Well, anyway, this is kind of what we are expecting. But I am quite sure, all right, before the election, I think they want to make it more dramatic, okay? Before the election, they were definitely going to cut, okay? They are definitely going to cut. All right, so maybe now before they cut, they want to make they want to make some like a trouble a little bit in the market, in my opinion. All right. They will not let the market go into recession for sure. Okay, but they can play a little bit up and down game. Okay. So this is the item that we will be having today and tomorrow. So today is Thursday. So from 3:15 p.m., which is afternoon and evening time of Singapore, and it onward we have quite a lot of European news, right? We have a euro, we have a British pound news, all right, and now tonight we have a flash PMI. So this is also quite important. And after that, Friday will be a little bit lesser. So please be aware of this. Okay, so let's start the analysis together. All right, hang on. Okay, so start with the British pound. So British pound on the left is, as usual, our CFD. On the right is our future, right? Okay, this is going to be a little bit long-winded one because I want to go through go through as a little bit detail as possible. All right, if you want to know the summary of today's analysis, you can watch the last 5 minutes. I will do the summary. Okay, so British pound, I was expecting market to go here as per our plan, right? So it's indeed one there already, right? So this is more or less plus minus there, right? So I think it is time for it to a little bit start to slow down, in my opinion. So, and moreover, look at the retail standing, they are now become minus 86. So it's stay quite extreme. All right, they are now minus 86. So I will just move here, right, just to show sales. So they are getting more and more extreme, right? Minus 86 is only how many? 14 point away from being 100. All right, so I will definitely not so eager or not so supportive to go on the buy side at this moment. All right, so currently we see like we have a very nice doji kind of in the making. So I will be saying neutral, gentlemen. All right, so it's neutral. Maybe don't buy anymore lah. Put it this way. All right, shall we sell or not? I think we stayed too early as well. We have to see more candle to show up here. It's the best time for you to take profit. Okay. All right. Euro USD. All right. Euro USD as usual. On the left is our CFD. On the right is our future. Euro USD already showing some signs of weakness already. Look at the retail standing. Okay, retail standings are not so bad anymore. They are minus 57. So, they were minus 83, which is very, which is very over sort of like extreme, right? Then they go down until the retail traders start to reduce their position. So they are now plus minus 50 only. So currently they can, they can do anything they want. And I would say it's like because of the yesterday price session is pretty bearish. Look at the price session on the future as well. Pretty bearish in my opinion. So I think market will likely to drift a little bit lower in my opinion. Look at the what we call it momentum. Yesterday the momentum is pretty strong as well. The volume also pretty strong. I mean, look at the volume here. Let me show you. Look at the volume here, pretty strong, right? Pretty strong. So I think there was some force into breaking down here. So I think the market will likely to drift down lower. So this is another level of support level. So we are talking about 1.077, this kind of level. All right. So I think market will likely to drift lower in my opinion. All right. So slightly bearish also. Okay. And moreover, just to keep in mind, just now the British pound also like the something that's going to explode like that because they are minus 80 plus, right? So same thing. The British pound also don't buy. And of course, euro also definitely don't buy for today. All right. Aussie should be quite similar. So after the big move last week, right? I think they are now making an all pullback. Okay, now Aussie is a little bit important now. Just give me a minute. Aussie is a little bit important now. Just take a look. Okay. When the market was pushing to the sort of like a resistance, all right? This was a resistance, right? There was a resistance, nice resistance, and they really push it up, and there was a kind of nice volume that associate with it. Okay. So what it means is that, I mean, there was some forces that really pushing the market from going up higher. So put it this way, this is likely there was some bullish push on it, possibly so. Okay, but the problem is that after that, there was not much of the follow-up, right? The market didn't really go up higher, right? In fact, they just roll over, then they are pulling back lower. This is not really a good sign, actually. All right, because that's to show that after the initial push, nobody really follow up. All right, nobody really follow up, and it caused the market to go back down to go back down even lower than the previous this blue color candle. So we have to think that might, in this case, this push might be it's like a push for the long position to take profit. So please be very careful. Okay, we will not be bullish until this level is broken up again. So I will be adjusting the level a little bit. So we will be talking about somewhere around here. So you look at my projection as well. Now we need to wait for, if you're no longer, we need to wait for price action. And second thing is we need the price bar to go back above this. Okay, go above this strongly. Okay, if not, we need to be very careful already. Okay, because like for example, market having a few like overhead resistance, then they break. All right, now they are like, how to say, easily broken back lower. This is not really a good sign actually, because if it does, we can consider this level as a fake breakout, right? So I want to see the market have to go back above this level to confirm that, okay, we are back in the trend. Okay, so definitely not a good time to buy at all. All right, just be careful. I'm bearish on this. Please wait and see. Okay, all right. Another one is New Zealand. Okay, our market composition are quite bullish still, so that's why I'm not full-blown bearish yet. Maybe I will wait for this week. Okay. New Zealand, yesterday we have like a very nice push in the morning. But end of the day, market really sort of like go back lower. And moreover, this is something that I do not like. All right, this is something that I do not like. Look at this kind of attempt. No, they don't really do anything for fun. Okay, you see, market go here. Then yesterday, you see, market go all the way up. Then you see, market didn't manage to go up and go back down lower. So to me, this is a very how to say, it's a very dangerous stop hunting in my opinion. So what have become is that this level have become a very important resistance. So even if it is like now we are a little bit bullish candle, but I kind of worry that market may not be able to break to the upside. So we think very likely market will likely to go here first in my opinion. So definitely not a bullish call at all. I think market will go and retest these level. So we are talking about 0.606. All right. So we are talking about minimum around 20 to 40 points. They can go lower. All right. So it's slightly bearish or neutral, right? At least definitely not bullish. Okay. Please be careful. So we just cover major pair against US dollar. So you can see obviously US dollars is making a little bit comeback. Okay. Okay, let me go through a little bit more before I show other slide. Gold. All right, gold, I was kind of like give an expression. Okay, hang on. Let it load. Okay, if you follow my last Sunday video. All right, hang on. Internet is a little bit cranky. Okay, you can see here I was expecting some pullback, right? I told you guys don't buy because gold is a little bit going to like pull back right now. So it is indeed pulling right back now. I think with the momentum, I think they will definitely or likely will goes to the first one will be 2350, then the second one will be 2314. So go don't buy at all. Okay, let's take a look on the retail trader standing. Mhm. Retail traders are plus 53, so they are like they are plus 53 minus 53 mean sorry, they are plus 50, hang on, they are plus 53 minus 47. It's mean, the retail traders are not really extreme in either side, so they are free to go anywhere they want. So I think the gold are likely to pull back a little bit lower first, in my opinion. Okay, one of the reason is because I mean, a little bit overstretched lah, put it this way. Okay, so gold is definitely not bullish right now in terms of daily time frame. I would suggest look for the market to really pull back down as much as possible, then we will buy back in. I think like for example, gold 2300 level or somewhere between these two, these two, somewhere between these two, somewhere around 2280 to 2300 level. This level will be the very good level for you to potentially buy in. Okay. When people were like gold was going up every day, people are more eager to buy in because they just look at the now only. Right. As a trader, you make a decision now. Right now, you make a decision now, and you only make profit in the future. All right. Right. But our decision most of the time is based on the noun feeling. If it is going up, you buy. It's going down, you sell, which is not a right thing because we are so-called we make money or we lose money based on the future. All right. So always remember that. Okay. So now going up doesn't mean that it will go up forever, right? So you see, that's exactly what happened to gold, right? So now we just wait. I think this level will be a very good and interesting level for us to buy from. Okay. So no hurry. I would say gold is neutral or slightly bearish. We wait. I repeat, what are the level that you can wait it out? I think 2280, 2228 plus, and 2300 level. Okay. And price action stay bearish. I think likely to unfold for a few days. Okay. Okay. Later, I will show you why the US dollar is making a comeback. Okay. There is there's a one rule to, sorry, one ring to rule them all. Okay. All right. Hang on. Silver. They were also same thing. All right. Just wait it out. What's the retail number? Silver is minus 64. So silver is, I think, going to go a lot lower. Okay. Ask you, you want to try selling them or not? Okay. Okay. Just to warn you a little bit, of course, you are going against the trend. You need to be very, very fast. All right. If you want to be like, if you want to do a bit of quick pull, you can sell it if you want, but please be very fast and very careful. I think silver is going to do this kind of trick. All right, do this kind of trick. You see where are the next congested level? The strong one is here, right? So I think silver are likely to go here first, in my opinion. All right, silver don't buy at all. It will likely to go here first, and the second one is here. So why the first one? Because this is this tip level. Okay, which level are we talking about? The first level of support is 29.7. Then second level of support is around 28.5. Okay, so slightly bearish as well, silver. If you want to buy, please wait. Okay, everybody okay so far, gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, everybody okay so far? Yeah. All right. Let me show what is happening to gold and silver. All right. Hang on. One ring to rule them all. Right. Okay. Take a look at this guy. Okay, take a look at this guy. You can see that. Okay, you can see that for the past, this is a daily time frame, by the way. For the past few weeks, right, we have a gold really going up, silver really going up. This kind of thing is because you see all the US Treasury or the US bond, is the yields are really dropping. All right, really dropping, and it caused the stock market to rise, or the commodity or the blah blah black sheet to rise, right? But okay, for the past, I would say, which day? Let me see. Start from 15th of May. So it's start from somewhere 1 week ago, actually. There was already some warning saying that these years are climbing back up. Can you see that? Okay, so there was a kind of warning that, hey, you know, the yields are climbing back, and of course it is causing all these fellas to drop. So well, of course we have to see forward, right? We have to see forward. I already show you what are the name of those. You can do it on your own. So you can see that if they start to rise again now, which is not a good news for the market actually, right? If they go keep on rising, all right, rising. If they continue rising, it's not a good news for the market. It can cause the stock market to drop. All right. Yesterday they almost dropped, but okay, they are stay quite strong. Anyway, they can cause the stock market to drop and all the commodity can drop for now as well. All right, so there was a kind of like an advanced warning that pick up actually is 8 days, 7 to 8 days ago. Okay, so that was a very good tools for us to cross monitor as well. All right, so this is number one. Okay, so now we know already, right? So as you know, because of the yields are going up higher, right? In a way, US dollar is kind of like become attractive again. All right, yields higher, you know, causing the causing the money market to thinking of, you know, the stock market, the US dollar pay quite rather well interest rate, so they are pulling market from other instrument, and they're pushing or they are buying the US dollars, right? So you can see they are now making a comeback up. You can see how nicely they come to here, then they recover. Okay, so whereas next, I think market will likely to go up higher to at least to this region. We are talking about 1.373, this kind of region. All right. So of course, US dollar Canadian is more or less on the bullish side. Okay. We want to sell, we need to wait from here. All right. So it is not yet unfolding yet. So for now, I think we have this condition. Okay, let me see on the US dollar Canadian. US dollar Canadian is short minus 70, short minus 73. Okay, so they are getting a bit extreme, but they are nowhere 80s or 90s. So I think I will reuse this because I don't want to, you know, I don't want to make my chart too messy. So we are now around minus 70. How much? Let me see. 73. I think they have a little bit more room to climb. All right. If they climb up higher, what will happen to the percentage? All right. Of course, if they climb up higher, the percentage will go further into negative. Like for example, now it's minus 73, right? Now it's minus 73. It can go to minus 75, minus 78, you know, this kind of stuff. So I think they have a bit more room to go up to, in my opinion. All right. So it's bullish, guys. Do not sell. So I I think it is also in line with what we are having in mind, right? By end of this May, going into June, July, all right, I think the stock market will have a major, not major, significant pullback. Okay, I repeat, from May going into June, July, I think the stock market will have a significant pullback. Okay, are we 100% sure or not? Of course, nothing is 100% sure, but it's a likely case scenario. So in this case, I think market is kind of going into that direction right now. Can you feel that? US dollar is making a comeback, you know, gold pullback, silver pullback, and you know, the stock market is likely to pull back as well. So, you know, we have to be very careful. I think if this play, that case might be playing out. Okay. All right. Another one is US dollar CAD. Okay, so I'm expecting market to pull back down soon. So let's see. All right. So this is where we wait. Now is we are in the make or break condition. In order for us to go into short, we need at least one more day for some price action movement. All right. So we really need a price action to confirm. All right. So let's see. So currently I will be neutral, definitely not bullish, right? Because I am planning to short on this one. So let's see on this. I'm neutral. If let's say we have a bearish candles, convincing one, by end of today, we will we were likely to short it out. Okay, so today is our first KIV for today. All right, this is our first KIV for today. Let's see whether by end of today we have a bearish candle or not. If it is a bearish candle, tomorrow morning we will take a small shot on this. Okay, anyway, this is our plan. So let's see. Let's see. We cannot make the market go in our way. We're just following along. So, let's see. US dollar JPY should be quite similar. All right, so JPY a little bit more room for it to play up to. But I think it's as per our plan, previous plan, we need to wait a little bit more. Currently, it's minus 69 only. So this is a minus 69 where we are right now. So I think we need to wait one more day minimum. So we got one KIV, which is US dollar CHF to potentially short side. So on the short direction. So what do we need? We need price action on the sell on the US dollar CHF. Okay. Another one is US market, gentlemen. Wait, where's the US 30? Hang on. So there's some minor bearishness starting to show already, right? Remember, we are expecting maybe now it's a little bit too early, but by next week or so we might have some bearish case scenario. So my suggestion, don't buy at all. Let's see how it go. I think S&P also will start to follow suit, in my opinion. Yesterday S&P was going down, but they kind of like recover by end of the day because of the NVIDIA. Okay, so they are really fighting right now. They want to drop, but there's some force that really holding the price as well. So let's see. Okay, definitely not full blown bearish yet. So let's see how it's going. Okay, so I'm expecting. Okay, let's do some projection. I'm expecting market will do something like this in my opinion. Okay, I give some go back to here. This is the most congested level, right? So okay, I'm expecting this to happen. All right. So I would definitely not be suggesting you to buy at all. Okay. Instead, if you want to short, by all means, and try to stay on the short side for the time being. Okay. And also focus on this fella, right? As long as these fellas are climbing, it's not a good news. Okay. I mean, it's not a good news for the market. Maybe a good news for us because we will be shorting on them. Okay. Okay. Hang on. Let's talk about S&P. Okay, this is what I mentioned. All right, last night we have the market actually dropped quite nicely, and they managed to recover a little bit. Okay, today candle we cannot take it so seriously yet because the market haven't even started yet. So this is just a pre only. So this candle just ignore for a while. So yesterday candle was kind of bearish. There was some indication market go lower. There was some pullback in this. So there's some earlier sign of bearishness at the moment. Okay, so what I'm expecting is I think there might be some pullback along the way in the making. Okay, first one is here. Second one is here, right? This highly congested level. All right, so I think the bearish sign may be starting to show up. Okay, so let's see how it's go. We have a short position yesterday. And guys, did you follow? Did you follow the short position? Okay, so let's see how it's whether it's play out or not. Okay, of course, if it is start to play out well, then we were thinking of add position. Currently, do not add. Okay, okay, let's move on. Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong is good. All right, market is really making some pullback. I think it's right time also So what is the next support level that we can be talking about? This level will be a support level. Is somewhere around 1,800 level. Make it a little bit more dramatic. Okay, let the market go back down lower first, in my opinion. Okay, first they were likely to go to this 18827. I think they will definitely go here. This one is already given. You see that here's a tip level. This tip level, I think they will definitely go here. All right, from there, maybe there was a bit of bounce, and sooner or later, I think they will go back here, in my opinion. So Hong Kong, no hurry to buy. If we are looking for a buy again, I think sooner or later we have an opportunity again. Okay, so these are the very nice support level, 1,800 level. I think this will be a potential level of buying. Just to keep in mind, when you want to buy, don't buy when they are in the, when they are in the like very bearish candle. Let the market come here, see how the price react from there, then we buy in. Okay, so there's a bit of wiser move in my opinion. I think 1,800 will be a good support level. So Hong Kong is slightly bearish for immediate term. Let them go lower. So should you buy? Should you sell? I would suggest not. I think we wait and buy will be the best choice. Okay. So another one is DEX. DEX is basically just a US market lah. Put it this way. Okay. This is just a US market. Okay. I think market will likely to drift lower first. Just like Dow Jones, I think will go lower first. So it's also slightly bearish, gentlemen. So have you noticed that theme ready for the past few days? US dollar is making a comeback. Everything is pulling right back against US dollar. So those US dollar pairs are getting more, getting more bullish for now. Okay, another one is WTI. Okay. Okay, WTI also quite similar. Okay, our weekly plan is slightly bullish only because there was a little bit of uncertainty there. Okay, let's see. There's a very big geopolitical, question that people need to answer, guys. The Iranian or the top officials are, sort of like met into accident. So there wasn't any follow-up news yet. Okay, so we need to be very, very, very careful. All right, very, very careful. I think sooner or later, Iran say that, the accident wasn't, accident, this kind of stuff, if they really start to say something, market can zoom back up. Okay, please be very, very careful on that. When there was no news and this kind of thing happening, please be careful. To me, that might be some sort of like, some sort of like a stop hunting because nobody's really trading. So when nobody's trading, they will go to those extreme area to hunt those stop loss. So I think that was a case that they are driving right now. So I will not really suggest you to go and short on this fella. All right, anytime they can fly back up. Okay, if the Iran start to make some statement saying something about the incident, I think this guy will be flying back up. So is really an accident? I'm the one I don't know. Really, I don't know. I can speculate for sure. But I have no proof to saying that. To me, personally, I don't think it is an accident. Okay, everything happened for a reason actually. All right, and you don't know what the other group are capable of. All right, so this is what it is. So I would say neutral lah, guys. Please be careful. Please be very, very careful on that. Okay, my projection have already met here. You can see it's already met. So I'm going to take it away for a while. Okay, so overall, this guy stay very, very bullish. All right, I would suggest that wheat or the corn are just wait and buy only. So for the period, I think in the foreseeable future, like for the next 3 months, wheat, corn, and soy only got two possible condition only. You wait or you buy. That's all. No sell. Okay. So I think this time is waiting. I think market let the market flush a little bit. You look at the price action, look at the yesterday price action, kind of like there's some condition on the, some like profit taking possibly. So I think market will likely to do this kind of stuff. All right, then I think they will go like this further to here, in my opinion. So currently it's wait. All right. Our previous projection is already fulfilled already. So this our next projection can make some discount. I think they might be able to pull back until here because it's a highly congested level. All right. So let's see. Soybean. Among these three, wheat is a more important one. Soybean also stays slightly bullish. Okay. Another one is corn. Okay, for the last the CD index sort of like a meetup, yeah, which happened 2 days ago. There are two majors that I recommended. First one is a wheat buy, second one is a NAS gas buy. Okay. Then Bitcoin and gold, I was telling them that no hurry to buy. Stay a buy, but no hurry to buy. So currently, I think all of them are a little bit start to unfold in that manner, especially gold and Bitcoin need to be a little bit weighted out. Okay, so corn also, I think wait and buy will be the better choice. So all three of them, wheat la, soybean la, corn la, wheat. Right, no hurry, gentlemen. But once it start to unfold, we will be stepping in on the buy side again. Okay, let's talk about BTC. Okay, BTC, there are one reason that I am saying wait to buy. Okay, hang on, wait lah. Okay, okay, there's a one reason. Let me show what is the reason. Okay, for the past few days, all right, for the past few days, you can see that there was some pullback in the making. All right, you see, like it was yesterday. Start from which day? Let's see. Start from 19 to 20 of May. All right, between 19 and 20 of May. So what happened to Bitcoin on the 19 and 20 of May? You see, the market really go up. You see, so the point here is that the market cap, the stablecoin market cap is dropping. Right, you can see from 19 and 20 of May, but this guy is going up, right? So that's the reason why I think this push to the upside, right, might be a attempt to lure in all the trader in. So I will be careful now using my projection, my arrow. I say it's come to here, right? 70K. It is already happened already, right? So I'm gonna take it away already. So I'm no longer that super bullish anymore. I think market will likely to pull back lower in my opinion. And moreover, look at yesterday, all the altcoin flying yesterday afternoon. Afternoon is quite sneaky in my opinion. So Bitcoin, I will say, please be careful. Look at the yesterday candle, price action is kind of bearish, right? I think market may have some pullback in the making in my opinion. So crypto, just be careful a little bit. All right. And I mean, it together with all other US dollar pairs, everything against US dollars is kind of weak right now. You got my point now? Okay. All right. So I will be, of course, slightly bearish for now for the day-to-day sort of like analysis. Okay. Another one is next guess. Are we clear on this, guys? Crypto don't chase at the moment. Okay. I'm a little bit skeptical right now already after what they have done on 2019 and 19 May and 20 May. Okay, so going forward, sorry, I haven't finished. Going forward, right? Okay, there was a one good news. We have a bit of pullback in the making right now. So this one we need to monitor very closely. Let's say they keep on going up higher. Okay, we can see the Bitcoin may have a pullback. But if let's say they go like this, we'll start to have some serious issue on Bitcoin. So let's see. So currently I'm slightly bearish on Bitcoin. Okay, so now we can clearly move forward. Let's guess. I want to see the volume of the yesterday candle. Okay. Please be very, 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 very careful with Nescas right now. Okay, hang on. I will do like this now. Okay, why? Look at the yesterday candle. All right, yesterday candle. Hang on, sorry. Look at the yesterday candle. All right. We have a pretty solid price action, right? Are we not? But you can see the volume of the yesterday candle there was nothing really fantastic about. Let's say number one, number two, and of course yesterday is number three. Look at the yesterday volume. Okay, the price was high, but the volume is not. So to me, how to say, they are pushing the price, but there was not enough strength to push the market. So if there's a little bit of sell force coming in, they will crumble it like crazy. You got what I mean? It's like you're pushing up something, but no strength one. Something that, let's say the top is heavy, the whole thing will give away. So are we seeing any bearish candle or not? Not yet, right? But look at the forces that we noticed of yesterday. I will be quite skeptical. So I will be, I would say neutral, not even bullish. Of course, I can't be bearish yet because price action, we have to give some respect to price action. I think neutral will be better words. So let's find out, gentlemen, for the next 2 day, right? Next 1 or 2 day, see whether this Nasdaq start to show red color candle or not. Okay, let's forward test our gentlemen together. Today is what? Today is Thursday. Okay, Thursday and Friday lah. Let's see. All right. I'm quite skeptical of the yesterday move. Okay, looks like no strength, and it will start to show soon. So I will be neutral on this fella. Okay, so let's have a quick recap. Because of this US Treasury yields are climbing. All right, that means making the US dollar a little bit more become attractive. Because of high yield mean, of course, people want to put money there to earn interest more, right? So because it's making the US dollar make attractive. So that means because of that, the funds are starting to flow back into US dollar a little bit, causing the US dollar item to rise. US dollar CHF, US dollar JPY, US dollar CAD, this kind of thing to rise, and causing those pair that against US dollar, for example, like British pound lah, euro lah, or gold lah, to pull back lower. So if you want to buy gold, silver, don't buy at all right now. There are places that will become very, very, very attractive. So I would definitely not suggest you to buy gold right now, right? They are level that we are waiting for. Okay, you got my point now, guys. And I think the stock market also will be the same thing. There are some minor cracks starting to show up. So let's see how it's go. So I only got one KIV today, which is US dollar CHF for possible sell. But no hurry at all. We definitely need to wait price action to show. Okay. And maybe, okay, I will add one more KIV just because we like to do forward tests, right? I mean, trader have to responsible for the decision, right? We do forward tests. Let's see on the natural gas. Okay, not the recommendation to sell at all, all right? But I want to see if bear candle show up. Okay, right on my notes show up by Saturday morning. Okay, I think and I feel that they are starting to show bearish candles soon. Why? I already explained to you already. Okay. All right. Any more question, gentlemen?